guys, I'm Nikki, mother of 6, wife, content creator, and dreamer, and this is our journey. We gave up everything to move home to take care of our parents and restore our 100-year-old home. So grab your coffee, get cozy, and let's renovate one room at a time.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I am your one and only Nikki. How are you? I'm blessed. Welcome back to the channel. I am so happy to have you here. I hope you guys have really been enjoying this garden series with me. I have been having so much fun tackling all these little projects outside of this home. This is my first time jumping into gardening, and I'm really having fun. I am learning a lot, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. So in today's video, we are cleaning up around the edges of everything. I want to build more garden beds, as well as make everything look clean and crisp. I'm cleaning up around the tree. We are adding mulch around our flowers, and we are building garden beds. So I am excited. Let's jump right into today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and let's jump right into this week's work.
So does anybody want to move? Nobody move. We'll let
I have to study something about tomorrow. Oh, I'm starting tomorrow in back row, and whenever when I have my serve right, but like whenever people are waiting for me and staring at me, I mess up. Like don't stare at me while I serve. Look at something.
Taylor, we literally looking at the game. We gotta look at you because you're serving.
What is all these bugs everywhere? Like,
What do you mean? Taylor.
why are they here? I think one of them bit me.
Girl, we just got here. Them bugs is not worried about you.
They're following me. Oh, are you recording?
Oh my God, I was. I forgot I was talking about.
What's up?
So in a previous video, I showed you babes a cute little flower bed that I created to go in front of our box trees, and I didn't like it. I mentioned in the video that there was something about it that was off and that I didn't like, and I figured it out, you guys. It was because I did not add mulch around the flowers, and I have a ton of tiny rocks to shape out the flower bed. I had to go back and really look at it. At first, I was like, the vinca is too bright and the begonia is too moody, and they're not working well together. And then I wanted to leave space for the impatiens that I planted. Unfortunately, those flowers failed. They did not pop back through. Once I transplanted them from their seedling stage, they just didn't bloom. So I was like, you know what? I do want to plant more flowers, but for right now, I am just going to add black mulch. So here I removed all the tiny rocks, and I'm going in with the larger rocks just to be intentional and to create a crisp line to make the space look clean. I also added black mulch to the lantana flower bed and around all the trees in the front. I lined them up with rocks as well in a circular motion, because if you look at the trees, you can tell that there's a little circle around it. So I did do some weed eating. Hubby is going to cut the grass later. You will be able to see how it just complements each other. I am mapping out the flower bed here with larger rocks, and I just think it looks beautiful now. At first, I couldn't figure out what was wrong with it, but it just looked thrown together, not intentional, and not something that was meant to be. It just looked like I just created something that was just wow. The grass wasn't cut. It was just ugly to me. The lights do complement the area at night, and you will be able to see that towards the end of this video. But with the black mulch here, it made it pop. It made the flowers pop. It looks beautiful. I also needed to protect the soil, which I didn't do at first. But now I absolutely love the front yard and the area, and I cannot wait to show you babes at the end of this video. If you are wondering where is part 2 of the summer porch decor video, it is coming in the next few weeks. I know I did a summer porch deep clean, and that was all the setup for the summer porch decor, but I have really been working the yard, and I want to add little clips of each video of me working the yard into that final video. Now, it's one thing to just go out there and throw the decor out there and be like, yeah, this is what the porch is going to look like over the summer, but I actually wanted you guys to see me working the yard. So that's coming up in the next few weeks. We have planted flower beds. I also started a veggie garden. With the veggie garden, I had a lot of the plants on the front porch, and that's not their permanent home, and I didn't want to add that into the summer video. So yeah, it's coming in the next few weeks. I did want to mention that. I also decided to go with black mulch for this home because I am going with a more modern update for the home. Now, the 100-year flip will be fully retro. I want it to look vintage, but here I wanted to give a more modern look. Y'all know I am more of a vintage bae, and hubby is more modern. So I would have my way at one home, and he can have his way at this home. So that's why I decided to go with the black mulch, and it's really crisp. It looks really, really good. So yeah. Okay, so I am wrapping all of this up, and then I am going to move to the backyard to build more garden beds, and you guys will be able to see that in the next couple of clips. So let's jump right back into this week's work week.
we are in the backyard and we managed to create 3 more flower beds. I did run out of storage, so I didn't get a chance to show you everything that I planted, but I am going to give you guys a full walkthrough and an updated video on the entire garden, everything that's in the ground, and how much everything has grown. So right now I am in the area where our cute little pumpkin patch will be, and I am just adding soil along the gate here because this is where the flowers will be. I am planting marigold and California poppies here. The first California poppies that I planted failed, and it just made me sad. Once I transplanted the flowers that I originally started with, they all just died. Nothing grew from it. So I was like, you know what? I am just going to start from the ground from now on. So here I am planting marigold and California poppies. I'm also running from wasps because I got stung once. And I just don't want to be stung again. But looking back right now into this video as I am editing, this is where the pumpkin patch will be. And we have had some major updates to the pumpkin patch since this video, and it's just shocking to me to see how bare and plain it is and where we are now. I cannot wait to give you guys an updated pumpkin patch video or part 2 of the pumpkin patch because it looks amazing now. But until then, we are going to go ahead and plant out our marigold. I also planted lavender. I am in the midst of planting some mint right now because they work really well with what you're growing, and I believe it keeps certain bugs away. So yeah, I have a lot that I am putting into the ground and I am excited to show you, but the marigold is the main flower for our pumpkin patch and I cannot wait to see them grow. So yeah, let's jump right back into this week's work week. right, cuties, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know what you think of me working in the yard. How do you feel about the black mulch around the trees and in the flower beds? Does it make everything look intentional and crisp? I'm really interested in hearing what you have to say. I love you babes so much for watching. I post videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, and I cannot wait to see you babes in the next one. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. It's always love with yours truly, Miss NJB, and I'm definitely going to see you in the next one. Bye.